Here is how you can delete your game plan list on eFootball. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete game plan list on eFootball 2024. So let's start. First of all, open the game and log into your account. After that, you will come to a home screen like this. Now in order to delete game plan list, simply go to game plan. After the game plan opens, tap on the logo of your club. Then after, you will find the game plan list at the bottom. Tap on it. As you go to game plan list, it will open all the plans that you have created in your account. Now in order to delete a specific game plan, what you need to do is tap on the three dots that you can see on the bottom of each specific game plan. When you tap on those three dots, it will open a screen like this. Now simply tap on delete game plan and that specific plan will be deleted. Now simply tap on delete game plan. After that, confirm the process by tapping on delete. As you do that, the specific game plan will be deleted. So in this way, you can easily delete game plan list on eFootball 2024. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.